Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jem Abante Andres and welcome to Gems and Wonders. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Gems and Wonders 5th anniversary giveaway. So finally, meron tayong pahabol for July anniversary and of course, iting much-awaited giveaway nyo. And sa mga OG followers ko dyan, alam nyo, every anniversary natin, meron tayong GCash pamigay and grocery pamigay din. And kung gusto mong manalo, sobrang dali lang po ng mechanics. So stay tuned, eto na, update ko na kayo for the mechanics. For the first mechanic, of course, paki-follow po ang ating social media pages. Number 1, ito pong YouTube channel ko. This is the Gems and Wonders YouTube channel. Paki-click ang subscribe and of course, mag-take na ng screenshot. And ano pa, of course, may Facebook page. Yung pong Gems and Wonders Facebook page. Paki-follow din and syempre, i-screenshot nyo rin yun. And of course, may Instagram, Gems and Wonders din yung name ko po doon. Pati na rin ang aking TikTok account. So please take a screenshot na lahat ng social media pages ko ay na-follow nyo po. And number 2, iting sobrang halaga po. Dapat maka-invite ka ng friend na pagsusubscribe dito sa Gems and Wonders YouTube channel. Because every person na ma-invite mo equals to 1 raffle entry. And alam nyo ba, of course, every raffle entry counts kasi yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng chance para manalo ng GCash or grocery items. So, ganun lang kadali. Very important lang sa akin na si screenshot kasi monitor ko po talaga yan. And kailangan nyo rin, of course, mag-join sa Gems and Wonders official Facebook group kasi doon ako nag-monitor ng mga number of entries niya po. Okay, so sana manilaw yun, malinaw po yun sa inyo. And syempre, ano ba yung mga prizes na expected natin na ibibigay ko para sa inyo? So, eto na. So, ano ba ang mga prizes dyan, Miss Gem? Of course, meron tayong GCash pamigay. Ilan ang bibigyan natin? For our major prize, meron tayong 2 500 pesos GCash na bibigyan. At isa pang major prize ang 1,000 worth of grocery items. Ganon talaga kabongga, Miss Gem. Yes na yes po. Kasi nga, it's my way of giving back to you. And syempre, through your love and support, and ma-reach natin yung target natin na subscriber for this season ng Gems and Wonders. And I really hope and pray mag-grow ulit ang ating YouTube channel. And ano pa, of course, maraming pa tayong consolation prizes na bibigyan tayo ng mga pabigas na GCash. And syempre, kung marami pang talagang sasali, alam nyo yan, sa mga OG followers, nagsa-surprise pamigay pa ako. So, keep on engaging, be active lang. Syempre, nababasa ko lahat ng comments nyo, sino talaga nagpa-follow, and sumali talaga sa mismong giveaway na to. And of course, last but not the least, actually, meron din akong magic question at the end of this video na dapat sagutin mo rin sa YouTube video na to. So, dapat i-comment mo mismo dyan sa aking comment section. So, here's my question. So, yung question ko lang ay, ano yung wish mo for year 2024? So, bago matapos yung taon, ano yung pinaka-wish mong gustong mangyari? O, diba? Very personal yung question and I would love to read your answers. So, part din yun, diba? Sana sa mga lahat ng sumali, please pakisagot, diba? Madali lang tanong, very personal and I would really love to read all your comments. Yan, dapat dito sa mismong video nyo, i-comment yung sagot nyo. Okay, so please don't forget ha, lahat ng mga sinabi kong mechanics, very ano lang talaga siya, madaling balikan, intindihin. Importante lang talaga, may screenshots kayo for me to track talaga yung number of entries nyo. And the major question is, gano'ng katagal ito mag-run? Actually, this will run from July 29 to August 29. So, it's 1 month actually. Pero don't forget, alam niyo naman yan, meron tayong in-betweens pamigay pa yan. Nag 1 month siya para mas marami pa akong chances mabigyan yung iba, more entries din yung mahabol niyo pa. Basta keep posted, marami pa tayong mga announcements sa ating Gems and Wonders official Facebook group. Follow kayo dyan. And syempre sa ating Facebook account. Okay? Just keep on growing. Like, let's keep on growing with each other. And invite lang kayo, guys. And sa mga active followers ko talaga dyan na since season 1 pa, may surprise din ako para sa inyo. Basta join kayo sa giveaway na to. So yun lang guys, I really hope and pray maraming mag-join sa season na to. Nahabol pa talaga natin. Alam niyo na, pag toddler mom, sobrang busy. Pero sabi ko, ipupush ko to kasi this is my first niche talaga. This is my first social media account na grino ko and ayaw ko siyang pabayaan. Gusto ko pa rin mag-grow with you. Yan, mag-grow tayo together. And hopefully, yung goal talaga ever since, mag 1 million to sa future. So, babalikan ko tong video na to pag nag 1 million talaga tayo. 1 million subscribers. So, guys, thank you again for watching. So, once again, this is Gem Abante Andres of Gems and Wonders. Of course, stay safe, stay dry. Alam ko sobrang lakas ng ulan lately. And syempre, please keep on praying na sana for the whole month na remaining, yung mga dreams and goals natin sa life ay sabay-sabay nating ma-achieve. So guys, thank you again for watching and have a blessed day to all. Bye! Love, love!